If you've been struggling with getting your bends sounding clean, maybe you're getting a lot of excess string noise or open strings ringing out, give me just a couple minutes today and I'm going to show you a very simple technique to fix this immediately. Let's dig in. Alright guys, so here is the #1 flawed technique that I see that is resulting in these noisy string bends or a lot of open strings ringing out. It's annoying and frustrating, I know, but there's a very quick fix for it. So say that you are bending this G note up a whole step up to the sound of the A note there on the B string here. Okay, watch this. Right? A lot of noise there, pulling down these G and D strings, resulting in those ringing open. Okay, the flawed technique here is you don't want to fret all of these fingers. You don't want to fret that index finger. What you want to do with that is you want to use that up here to mute everything behind. Okay, so you really only need to push the bend up with your second and third fingers. So you want to fret those notes right there at the 7th and 8th fret. Get your index finger back there just laying really lightly over the strings. There you have it. No more noise. I would use the exact same technique if I were bending a note on the G string. Say if I'm bending that D up to the sound of the E, now the whole step bend. Gonna fret only with the second and third finger. Put that index finger back there, lay it over the top of the D and the A string. And I'm not gonna have those ringing out anymore. Okay? If I fret with all three of these fingers, you're going to result in those open strings getting pushed and ringing out on the release. All right? Cleans it up immediately. Now what if you're going to bend with your pinky? Well, you're going to use the exact same technique, but now you're going to fret with all three of these fingers and get that index finger back there muting. With the index finger fretted, again, you're going to get that G string noise. Put it over the top here. And again, we're not pressing down, we're not applying any pressure, just kind of lightly laying it back there, almost all the way up to the A string sometimes. Same exact technique if you're going to bend with your second finger. Just bend with that note, get the index finger back there muting. Little half step bend there. Now, of course, the main exception to this is if you are actually bending with the index finger. Then you don't have anything that you can mute with behind, and then you're just going to have to be a lot more careful just to be pushing that string along, but not pulling it down at all so it sounds. And you also might want to get a little bit of right hand muting in there as well. Anyways, guys, this is the main fix for noisy string bends. I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you check the description below for information about membership at Tasty Guitar. I'll see you next time.